Hello and welcome back to Kernel Outdoors. Just another quick tutorial on the Garmin Epix or Garmin Fenix. Just going to show you how it works. Remember, there are 5 buttons: up, down, the light button, the go button and the back button. And we're going to look at the one when you press and hold the light button, you get almost like shortcuts, and you can customize this. You can add more things if you want to. Also, that is where the power off is, and to action it you press the go button, which is the top right button. And I'm just going to go through some of the options that are on there and how to add some more. So one of the things that people seem to, or one thing that I use is when I go to gym and there's Ant Plus availability, you can broadcast your heart rate from your watch to the machine. So even if it doesn't have heart rate sensors, and I do that on the Concept 1 rowers, just by that button back there. Sometimes if it's damp and you're wearing a coat with long sleeves, it's good to turn the touch off, so that is there. Flashlight has red as well as white light, as you probably already know, but if you wanted to change it, that is where you can change it in that option. And remember, back always takes you back. Redshift I always use at night. Make sure you have that turned on because it does protect your eyes. If you were lost out, you can get the flashlight to either in red or white to pulse or flash, and there are modes to do that there. Again, if you wanted to add more things, that's where the times are. You press and hold it and you can add controls. So if you wanted all your like sensors, or you wanted a shortcut to airplane mode, any of these you can just drop in there, and that is where you will find them. So it's a really useful place to utilize instead of going all through the watches menus. Anyway, please like, please subscribe. If you want to know how to do anything else, ask me. Thank you.